Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my Outdoors channel. In this video we're going to talk about another issue with the Taurus PT111 G2 pistol. And my son ran into an issue with this in regards to how the magazine release lever works and fails at times. And he's got some quick fixes here on how to fix it. I did another video on this pistol before in regards to the security lock failure, and I'll put a link to that video down below so you can view that if you need to. But for this one, we're going to show you how to fix this magazine release button so it doesn't fall out on you. And what this is a fix, temporary fix, or what you might call MacGyvering it. And it's not a permanent solution. It needs to be fixed by a gunsmith or by Taurus. So we take no responsibility for anything that happens if you follow this. So you have to do it at your own risk. Anyways, do be safe. Make sure you know what you're doing. And if you don't, get a gunsmith and get it fixed right. So upcoming here is Mike's video.
Alrighty, show you a quick video of how I got around my mag release button coming out basically when there's nothing in it, because it will shake right out. I think other people have had this problem. Big thing is happening is this little button here. Let's see if we can get up close on the mag release button. Wears out a groove inside of here where the pin flaps back and forth. Unfortunately, the material's worn away. There's not much you can do there, but you can send it into Taurus and they'll repair it. But if you don't have a second firearm like me, you gotta wait till you get a second firearm, unless you don't carry it every day. So my simple solution, got a little electrical tape. Since it's black, almost the same color as the frame of this, I just wrapped it up half layer, or cover the button halfway on the bottom and halfway on the top, going between under the trigger and over the trigger. That way you don't get so much tension that it wants to drop your magazine all the time. And I'll show you how well that works. Electrical tape is cheap. So we'll start just below the button there. I'll come halfway up it, and you can, since it's electrical tape, it kind of stretches a bit. We'll pull her back a bit. Cut across it a ways back because we got to go through the trigger guard, and that's not going to fit through the trigger guard. And just kind of weave it through the trigger the best you can. So it comes around, just barely covering that button. And make sure it moves. Kind of press her in place. And it won't, it's not holding the mag in. Releases just like normal. So, temporary solution. I wouldn't call it a permanent fix by any regard. It should be actually fixed by the gunsmiths over at Taurus or whatever they need to do to make it right. But if you need it in a pinch and you need to keep using the firearm for a while, it'll do the job.
Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some inspiration and you found some ways to maybe fix your pistol if you're having some problems with that. If you did, please give me a like and give me a thumbs up, and share it with your family, friends, and fellow outdoors persons. Also, please give us your comments. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and we get a lot of great ideas from you and other things to share. So, if the ladies don't find you handsome, at least they find you handy. Thank you.